Hi guys, it's Hamazar here and it's whatever time, but I'll be showing you around Ubuntu Budgie. It's Ubuntu with the Budgie desktop environment and a few different apps. The fork of Ubuntu, but Ubuntu with a different desktop environment. So let's go away. So on here, you've got your dock, software, files, Budgie welcome, different boxes you need to clear, terminal, just like command prompt, LibreOffice Writer, Word, not calculator, Excel, Chrome Web Browser, Google Chrome. So in Ubuntu Budgie welcome, you've got recommended apps, getting started, all that kind of stuff. So let's say if you want to learn how to community get involved, so that's pretty nice. Store. So on the top you've got a menu for all your apps. The time, if I click on the time, I've got calendar, date and time settings, good setting, automatically change it, I like that. Record, caffeinate, not sure, network status, looks a bit out of whack, but I can do shit with an update. Night light. So you can have a night light. Notifications, power, volume, menu. There was a power off menu, but I got rid of it because I didn't think I want it or need it. So if I open home, you've got your files, so documents, whatever. So overall it's a good system. In accessories I've got these. I think planks that dock on the side. Maps, calculator. Basic no. Advanced, I'll just keep it on advanced, that'll be me. Accessories, games, nothing much. Graphics. Give him an email to the mail client, good, I recommend it. BitTorrent transmission, just like uTorrent, Office. Yep. Kazam to music record, Box Music, GNOME, Media Player. Cheers. I'll replace GNOME with VLC, so that will be me. System tools, admin, preferences. Check one settings app and just be that. Utilities. But overall it's a pretty good robust system. So if I right click, I can do organize by name, keep a line, new document, new folder, control shift N, like window. Utilities here, which is our terminal. Change background. So I changed it to this notifications. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi I'm on. Add a printer. You can add printers. Chromium, you know what Chrome looks like. So overall it's a good system. Oh, like a Mac-esque like system. So if you're coming from Mac to Linux, I would go with this maybe. There are other alternatives, but this is pretty good and good system. Yep. I'm Sam, thank you for watching and see ya.